Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to tame Hawkstrider Utopia. First, you'll need to pinpoint its exact location within the game world. This rare creature has a specific spawn point, so knowing where to look is crucial. Once you've found it, ensure you have all the required taming items ready in your inventory. These might include special food or a particular lure. Understanding its unique taming mechanics will also give you a significant advantage in securing this magnificent mount. Before initiating the tame, it's wise to clear any hostile creatures in the vicinity. This prevents unwanted interruptions that could reset the taming process. Double-check that your character's taming skill meets the necessary requirements for this particular beast. A higher skill level often increases your chances of success. Finally, approach the Hawkstrider Utopia with caution. A sudden movement might cause it to flee or become aggressive, making the tame much harder. Now for the actual taming. Once you're in position, activate your taming ability or use the specific taming item. Pay close attention to any on-screen prompts or minigames that appear. These often require quick reflexes or specific inputs. The process might not succeed on your first try, so be patient and prepared for multiple attempts. Each attempt brings you closer to adding this beautiful Hawkstrider Utopia to your collection. Congratulations! Once successfully tamed, you can name your new Hawkstrider Utopia and proudly add it to your mount collection. Take some time to practice riding your new companion, getting a feel for its unique movements and animations. This will help you navigate the world with style and confidence. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space spotless with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.